Okay, next one is the the body cell of a mammal, contain two copies of 24,000 genes, making 48,000 genes in total. Means the alleles are, we are counting alleles as well. Of these 48,000 genes in the body of the mammal, how many would have been inherited from its mother? The 24,000. The answer is already given, that there are two copies. Okay. Next one. The inheritance of the ABO blood group in human is controlled by three alleles, IA, IB, and IO, only two of which can be present in one individual. What are the possible blood groups of the children born to a homozygous A, mean capital A, and a heterozygous group B, means it's BO? Okay, so what would be the blood groups of the children? Let's cross it. AA and BO. It would have AB, AB, 2A, 2AB. So answer is B. Oh, where is the pen? Okay. Next one is the diagram shows. Let me copy the diagram. It's 13, right? Okay. So there are the ladybugs. Let me give you a diagram. Okay, these are the ladybugs. The diagram from two distinct form of, not ladybugs, these are the beetles. Two form of beetle. The difference between them is controlled by a single gene. Mean one is the red from form with black spots, and one is black and with red spots. The allele for the black form is dominant. Means this one is dominant. Okay. Now, what kind of variation is shown by the beetle and why? Would it be continuous one or discontinuous one? You have only two types. So what type of variation it would be? Continuous or discontinuous? How do we define continuous variation and discontinuous variation? Wait. No, 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 no. One depends on both, other depends on genetic only. So again, say this answer. Like this depends on genetics as well as environmental, and this depends only on genetics. So yes, so this one is related to discontinuous one. And if we generally say it, like if we are not discussing the genotype, then we will say that if there are several ranges, then it would be continuous. And if there are only few like types present which have distinct difference, then it would be discontinuous. So there are only two type present, it's a discontinuous one, and it is controlled by genes. Okay. A pregnant woman is told by the genetic counselor that her baby have equal chances of being blood group A and blood group AB. What is the possible genotype of this woman? It's similar to the one that we have discussed earlier, like this. Heterozygous B. So our answer would be B. Okay, let's see. I it's A. It's A, and it's AB, right? And it's A. So 50-50% chances. Equal means 50-50% chances. Here we would have A, and here we would have BO. So our answer is A. Okay. Which statement about the G? It's fine. Do you want to check this? Because I want to check this one. Let's say AO and BB. It will become AB, AB, and it will become BO, BO. So the blood group would be different. Okay. So answer is AA and BO. This one is correct. Which statement of the genotype of organism is correct? Dominant alleles are only found in homozygous. No, they can be found in the heterozygous. One recessive allele always causes a recessive phenotype. Recessive phenotypes must be homozygous. Yes. The dominant, no. So see. Okay, so the diagram is given. Let me get to the diagram. It's question number 16. Okay. Okay, now a difficult thing. We have the pedigree one. Okay, we have this and then we have a table. Okay, so we have a particular diagram is given. The diagram shows the inheritance of recessive characteristics that is controlled by a single pair of allele. So we have capital T and small t. Let's talk about the normal and affected one. So normal one is this one. So it means, okay, it means it has this one or this one. Okay, and this affected one would have this trait. Okay, okay. Let's discuss, because all the offsprings are normal, it means they must be homozygous. Okay, okay. Now when two heterozygous are sorry interbreeded, then the offspring can have a chance of infection or the recessive allele. Okay, so what is, I have already written what is represented by P and Q. It's the dominant one, so answer is D. Okay, 17. What causes sickle cell anemia? A change in the structure of gene. The red blood. Okay, why we have selected this topic? Because genes are responsible for making the proteins. If there is some like deletion addition in the protein, and hemoglobin is a protein, then it would cause anemia. Okay, the diagram shows the inheritance of coat color. Coat color means the skin color in the mice, and there is a diagram given. Let me share the diagram. Okay, here I have a diagram. Okay, is the diagram visible? Okay, so which mouse is heterozygous for a coat color? What do you think? No, no keys given. Let's have a cross. Let's have a cross. Just cross these, and cross these. Yes. Look at the children. Wait. Look at the offsprings. Which offspring is showing the both trait? Both trait. Exactly. So which mouse? Exactly. So it this couldn't be the answer, because we have to look for the heterozygous one. So either C, it could be C or it could be D. So we are choosing. It would wait. Shanza, listen. Let's see. A A and B are resulting in all black coats. Okay, let's say we have small b and we have capital B. It means all the offsprings would have this capital B, right? This one is dominant. And if we are crossing these one, it may have this, it may have this. Okay, it may have this, but in this one this is present. Now tell me what could be heterozygous. C. Okay. Okay. Okay.